I once lived like I owed nothing, love. Chased fleeting hearts, then gave them up. Every light fell false, every kiss dry, till you arrived in the sky. Everything I trusted you made new. Even the scars forgot how to stay blue. You didn't save me, you set me alight. And I've never seen the dark so bright. You made me fall with no defense. Even pain made perfect sense. You took the cold out of my skin. Too wild to tame, too deep to pin. And still I search the flame for you, to feel again, to come